Trying Adam Ragusea's ice cream recipe with no ice cream machine. In a bowl, add 6 egg yolks. We won't be using the whites today. 3/4 cup sugar, but split. Whisk together. The sugar helps the eggs become smooth and prevents curdling. In a pot, add the remaining sugar and 1 pint or 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. This will be the base for our ice cream. Whisk until it starts simmering or steaming. Then take it off the heat and transfer it to our egg mixture while whisking to prevent curdling. Transfer back to the pot and simmer for 2 to 3 more minutes or until visibly thickened. It doesn't drip on the spatula test if it's the right thickness. Take the pot off the heat and add 1 cup of cold milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt for boosted flavor. Whisk together and your custard is complete. Now it just needs to cool. Strain into a larger bowl so you can take the chunks out. Then chill for about 4 hours or until fully cooled down. At this time, prepare flavorings of your choice or none at all. I'm going to skin my peaches because when you freeze skin into ice cream, the skin solidifies into chunks. It often tastes papery as well. Then fillet the meat off the pits so you can get the seed out. Mince peaches so it'll be easier when you smash it with a fork. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup sugar and some lime juice to prevent it from browning. Combine together. After 1 hour, smash it with a fork so it won't be solid when you freeze it. Transfer it into a bowl and chill along with the custard. After the custard is fully chilled, you need to add most of the juice from the peaches or else it'll freeze solid. The best way is to strain it. Then chill everything including the custard bowl and the ice bowl for 15 minutes. Fill the larger bowl with ice and add 1 part salt to 4 parts ice. Mix the salt in the ice. Then put the custard in the ice bowl and churn with a hand mixer for 8 to 10 minutes. Freeze for 1 hour. Beat for 3 to 5 more minutes and you might have to scrape the chunks off the wall with a spoon. Once it's almost melted, you can add your flavorings in now. Mix the flavorings in so it's evenly combined. Transfer the custard to lidded containers. I used about 2 Pyrex containers. Then put the lids on and freeze for 24 hours. The next day, your ice cream is ready to scoop. This recipe makes very creamy and delicious ice cream. Enjoy!